Hi everyone, it's great to see you all again. I have a new house, and as you can see, it's got the worst wallpaper ever. I'm so lucky my girlfriend sent me this wall hanging of my friends playing cards so we can not have to stare at this icky wallpaper all day until I get my remodeling done. Thanks for coming today. We're having our housewarming party on Minerals Monday Live this upcoming Monday the 14th. I'm an absolute mess. We're having a huge firestorm here, and the place is filled with smoke. It's horrendous. However, I found out that there are investigations being called by Adam Schiff and Congress. Somebody is about to be in a whole lot of trouble. And I had a dream a while back. I saw a man. He was being arrested. He had handcuffs behind his back. And I think I know who it is. It is the chief of our military, none other than this Mark Esper. I think Mark Esper's days are numbered. So let's take a look at Mark Esper, because from what I can tell, he's going to be going to prison. Oh no, the devil, it's his connections to AG Barr. Oh, let's take a look at Mark Esper and his connections to Attorney General Barr. Oh, at the essence of the reading is the Hierophant. Oh my gosh, this guy is huge. He has a huge set of cards. At the essence of Mark Esper's reading is the Hierophant. This is judgment being played out against Mark Esper by Congress. At the center of the reading is the Queen of Cups. This is the health, welfare, and well-being of the United States of America. In the recent past, we have bribes. This is the Six of Pentacles, and this is a bribe. We just got in the last reading that this whole thing is about the money trail and bribery. Oh my gosh, at this very moment is the Three of Wands. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is serious. This is an overseas connection. Mark Esper is waiting for help to arrive from overseas, from two countries. This is the United States, China, and Russia. And in the end, he ends up making the agreement, the Two of Wands. All right, so what is going to happen during this agreement that Mark Esper makes? Is he going to be doing a plea bargain and blowing the whistle and singing the canary song against AG Barr? Oh no, it's the King of Swords. Oh, is he? This is the King of Swords. In this position, this would be AG Barr. Once again, is he going to sing that happy song? No, this agreement is all about protecting AG Barr, and the King of Pentacles is the faction within the Republican Party that wants to maintain control of the votes and the tabulation of the votes in the election. And of course, Mother Russia's connection. So in the end, Putin wins over this Mark Esper. This Mark Esper situation, you guys, is huge. We got to keep our eyes open on Mark Esper. We're going to be seeing you guys live at the party on Monday. Can't wait. Ciao for now.